I am sharing a family recipe with you. This is chocolate cake. First, the ingredients. Come over here. You need 2 eggs, some oil, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour. This is self-rising flour. This is very important. And some milk. The first step is to turn on the oven. You have to turn on the oven and leave it at high temperature. Then you need to prepare the pan. You get some oil. You spread some oil on the pan. Then you need some flour. And you have to prepare the pan. We do this so that the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Okay? All the way around. This is the leftover. Our pan is ready. I leave it here. And then I start with my bowl. I crack 2 eggs. Another one. Then I add the sugar. I add some oil. And the secret ingredient. This is a chocolate cake, so this is our Nesquik cake, the family cake. More or less a cup of Nesquik. I start mixing the ingredients. I mix. And I start adding the flour. 1 cup. Maybe you need some milk. And I continue mixing the ingredients. This is how it should look. Some more milk. And 1 more cup of flour. You mix slowly. You add some more milk. A bit more. Look at the texture. Look, all the ingredients are mixed and they are ready to go into the pan. So now we pour the ingredient into the pan. Like this. All the ingredients mixed up into the pan. Like this. Then, before you put it into the oven, you take some sugar and you spread sugar on top before you cook it. And now this goes into the oven. Look. Something important is that when you put the cake into the oven to be baked, you need to lower the temperature, medium temperature. You bake it for 40-45 minutes. See you later. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. I think it's time to take the cake out of the oven. Let's see. Wow. Look. This is a cake. Look. Lovely, isn't it? Yummy, yummy for my tummy. I hope you like the recipe. Bye-bye.